हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक एंड आई होप कि आज की जो हमारी ब्रॉडकास्ट हम आपके लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं विच इज़ स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय द रियल कैनेडियन सुपर स्टोर आपको पसंद आ रही हो। एंड यानी आज तो बहुत सारे ड्रामे और कितने शोज़ हमने चलाए। सुबह से हम लोग यहाँ बैठे मज़े मज़े की बातें कर रहे हैं। खैर एटलीस्ट मैं तो कर रही हूँ, अब अफरोज का नहीं पता। ये सिर्फ मज़े मज़े के गाना आपको गाना सुनाने के लिए रखा गया है।
अच्छा,
शो में खूबसूरती डालने के लिए और चबर चबर करने के लिए मैं बैठी हूँ। राइट,
we always need the rattle, right?
Of course. आपने देखा नहीं आज हमारे जितने गेस्ट हैं, actually there's so many females. We're taking over the world.
Because you are more in the world.
Yes, lucky for you guys.
Of course, lucky for us.
तो but अब जो गेस्ट हैं, she is gorgeous herself और मैं उनसे जो थोड़ा बहुत बात करी थी, she's so pretty, so elegant और वो करती भी यही है, like she is an artist. So any artist, I think उनको उनके हाथ में वो क्या कहते हैं नज़ाकत. So I think she has that all in her personality, all in her looks.
जितनी वो खूबसूरत पेंटिंग करती हैं, उनका एक खूबसूरत सा नाम भी है और उनका नाम है अनु. So let's welcome Anu into the studio.
Thank you.
Anu, welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm great. It's such a pleasure to be here and celebrate Diwali with you guys.
और you know अनु, तुम्हारा एनर्जी लेवल दिवाली का जैसा नहीं लग रहा था. थोड़ा सा चीको चिल्लाओ. You know there is the diyas and there is मिठाई. You know what? Give us some sweets. Let's get some energy level up. लगता है तुम बहुत दूर से गाड़ी चला कर आई हो.
Yeah.
Am I right?
I have actually.
So please have some mithai and get your glucose up.
The mithai looks lovely, colorful and bright, but I'm not.
Just like us?
Yes.
She's
but I've
watching.
been eating and eating. So
Huh?
I've been eating too much sweets.
वो इतनी दूर से गाड़ी चला के आ रही है साड़ी में. You know that takes a lot of energy out of you.
Absolutely. And without the sari getting creased up.
Exactly. So Anu, tell us, you're from India?
Yes,
Whereabouts in India?
I was born in India in Bangalore.
Achha.
And I came to this country 8 years ago, and coming to Canada has been my real homecoming. So it's been great to celebrate beautiful things here, including this lovely festival of Diwali.
So आपकी सारी family यहाँ पर आई या you came here by yourself?
That is a very interesting question. I came here by myself and I didn't know anyone when I came to Canada.
Wow.
I had no friends or family.
Okay.
I had 2 suitcases. The only thing I knew was the immigration office at Yonge and St. Clair.
Okay.
So I took an apartment right next to it, which was 77 St. Clair.
Okay.
Wow.
And that's how I started my life.
Wow. So you were just like the perfect story to have a film done on, you know.
So I know that you've only been here for such a short time, but you've accomplished so much कि जो लोग यहाँ आते हैं वो उनको सालों लग जाते हैं, you know, and they don't achieve that. So was this something like आपका passion था बचपन से ही, you like to draw and you were artistic, बचपन से ही था या like यहाँ आके आपने इसमें interest लिया?
I've always liked to paint. It's something that I felt that, you know, it's a great way to express yourself. It brings people together. And I'm really lucky because Canada is a place that really supports art and talent. And it's nice that I found that to be an avenue to really connect, make new friends, meet new people.
True.
And the first year that I was here, in fact, it was Diwali, October of 2005. And I was invited to a art show here in Mississauga. And I came to the show, I bought the paintings, I made friends, I volunteered, and eventually, in about 6 months, I became the president of that particular art association, the Mississauga Art Society, which is the oldest art society here since 1955.
Wow,
So
that's an achievement
it's a great
to
avenue.
clap for actually.
Yes.
You know what? That's not something small.
Well, that's not only it. She also is one of the directors for Mosaic Festival.
Yes.
Yeah, so she's done big things.
I have seen her there and I know she was an integral part of that project. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं हमारे दर्शकों को.
So the Mosaic Festival is another great venue to bring local talent to the forefront.
Okay.
We do have international artists, but it is a festival, the largest of its kind, multidisciplinary arts festival that brings the heritage of South Asia to the forefront. So I have been fortunate to be a part of it. I'm the festival director. It's a fun festival, it's a family event, and it's free, so it's great. It usually happens every year in the month of, in the summer months usually. Last year was in August, and it was such a fantastic way to bring people together. We had some amazing events. We had the Women of Substance Walk to empower women. We had members of the parliament, women in the media, just real women walking. We had the great Shafkat Amanat Ali come and sing this
wow.
amazing thing.
Oh yeah, I was there actually. I was there for his show.
Yes,
and it was amazing. He just set the stage on fire, you know.
Yes, not only that, he actually went down into the crowd and met everyone, and the fans went crazy.
It was packed, and then you know what I loved was we were actually there, and then you know we were getting around food and stuff, and it was just awesome. I could see all the families. It was a great event to have.
I did see you on stage, and you came back and gave a little spiel, and it was very well organized. I mean, that's an awesome thing you guys are doing.
Yeah, we get 60 to 70,000 people over the 3-day festival, which is a really large gathering for any festival of its kind. We have even the movie section, which is again a great way to bring the talent. We have music from South Asia, we have poetry, and I think this is such a great opportunity for people to be able to promote themselves, their art, and young people to be able to share their talents.
So since we're talking about the Mosaic Festival, we have a little clip for Shafkat Amanat Ali that we would like to share with you. And so you guys enjoy that. We'll be right here and come right back.
बहुत मजा आया. And you know what? I was there and I had seen and witnessed this. So मुझे बताएं कि who was your favorite? I know there were so many good artists over there. So who was your favorite artist?
Well, Shafkat, I have to say, was the top of the list. But besides that, there were these young dancers. It's a program that's a signature event for Mosaic. It's called Nachenge Sari Raat, and it really brings young children to the forefront in the field of dance.
Wow.
So that was very nice, and it's very innovative. It changes every year. So that was fun. I also liked the Shamak Dava's performances. And we also had the local Punjabi dances, Gujarati Gharba, and these were done by seniors.
Wow.
So what a great avenue for them to be able to...
So it's not only just communities, but even different sects of the masses getting involved into the thing.
Yes.
Age groups and stuff. Wow. So tell us, I would like to know, where do you go for your grocery shopping? Have you ever been to the Real Canadian Superstore?
I knew she was going to ask me.
Because just because you don't do groceries doesn't mean I have to ask this to the female.
Yes, I do. I go to the Real Canadian Superstore to shop. I think it's a great place where you get food of all different kinds, and I think that's important in our culture, especially with all the festivals. We love entertaining, socializing. There's so much food to make, and it's a great place to shop.
Not to miss the masalas and the idli vada masalas and the gits masalas and all the...
They have packages for everything now. They do. You want to make idli, you get a packet and you just go home and make it. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
Even you can make it.
I know.
They should advertise it in that way. Even Afroz can make it.
You know what? They should have one little segment for men only, and they should say these masalas for men only, because they know that we'll go and screw it up at home.
No, to make it easy for you.
Yeah.
Cooking for dummies. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. It was lots of fun having you up here. Any final message you want to give to any Junai artists out there, you know, that want to get into this field? What would be one thing that you would like to say to them?
Well, I think art connects people. Art can be anything from music, even food. Cooking is an art, or music, or painting. And in my particular case with the visual arts, I've always believed that it brings people together, and it also helps to make a difference in the community. For example, this painting here, which is called the Fantasy Forest, is going to an auction this Friday, which will raise funds for the Mississauga Art Council, which is a not-for-profit organization that supports the local talent here in all forms. So I really believe in giving back. We're all part of the community, and little things that we can do will help. So as artists, every one of us is an artist. As a child, we all painted, we all sang. So I just wish that all of us would go deep inside, find that little part, that creative soul, and then come back into this world to make a difference and to leave a legacy.
Oh, beautiful. I mean,
what a positive message.
Excellent.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for being with us. आज का दिन वैसे ही इतना positive जा रहा था.
You know what? I'm just enjoying it, and Anu, you just made it even more better.
Thank you.
And we wish you a fantabulous Diwali and with your family.
Thanks, and wish you both a very happy Diwali.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming down.
And we wish all of you from the Real Canadian Superstore happy Diwali. And what do we have coming up next?
We have another TV series coming up, but before that, we must tell that ये प्रोग्राम स्पॉन्सर किया है रियल कैनेडियन सुपरस्टोर ने, तो आप भी जाएं और उसको चेकआउट करें.
And by Dinesh Ramsey as well, our clothes.
Oh yeah, our clothing, definitely.
So you guys go enjoy our next program and come right back, because we'll have another few guests and you don't want to miss these ones.
While I eat some mithai.
Today's special Diwali transmission was brought to you by Real Canadian Superstore. Big on fresh, low on price.
Real Canadian Superstore. One-stop shopping at great prices.